I am Vasuki Lakshmi from Tamil Nadu. Now I am doing Python full stack in Besant technology. Now I am working in a supermarket project. Here I am using CSS, JavaScript and HTML. See master, this is JavaScript and this is CSS. This is normal HTML. So CSS part is using for style only, style purpose. In JavaScript, this is using for the script tag. So script tag open and script tag close, we are using the JavaScript. So now I am using this three type CSS, HTML and JavaScript using this project. This is supermarket project. So this is the header part. We are separate three part. First one is header part. Next one is body. Third, final is footer section. So this is footer section. These all are body. In first one is the header section. So in header section we are using a paragraph and heading and etc. It will come everything. In home page, see, in home page we are clicking this, it will go other page. It will next we can use futures and products. Products means it will. So what products is there? All are it will come here. See, in our products means which one is vegetables, fruits, and everything in this project. And after that, customers review. Customers review means in our project or in our product, it will good or bad or medium, everything. So it will come our customers review. Then our blogs, you will see the every part of in vegetables, fruits, any items you can see here. After that, footer section. Footer section in our supermarket contact details in phone number, mail ID, and which place. So these all are come in footer section. So this is the supermarket project, and here login page also is there. Already you are in one customer of this shop means you will directly enter your mail and password, it will go inside. So just log in. Otherwise you are in new person means you want to click create now. So your account will be created in new one. Then after that you will go inside of the login page. So after you can select any product means it will add here. So one by one, which items you want, watermelon or onion, anything else. So it will add here cart. So search means which product you want. So you will search here. In our last one is our futures. If you want any free delivery in your home or shop, anything else, you will give your address. We will come and deliver directly at free with free delivery, and easy payments also is there in cash or Paytm, GPay, anything else it will accepted. And fresh and organic. Organic means it will give any products in this field. You can select anything else. So this is our products. Which products is here like that? Vegetables, fruits and milk, non-veg, anything else is. So this is our supermarket project, guys. Thank you.